Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so in this video, I am looking at the Apex EA, also known as the Apex Day Trader EA. And this one is available for both MT4 and MT5. So whether you are on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you can run this system. All right, so let's just break it down step by step, starting from the MQL5 marketplace page. Um, we can see that this EA is positioned as a more premium product, currently priced at 700 US dollars, which tells me this is not targeting beginners. It's aimed at traders who are serious about automation and are willing to invest in a more structured system. Now we can also see that it's developed by Botond Ratoni, and according to the description, this EA has gone through extensive development, including Monte Carlo testing and forward testing over a portion of the data. All right, so that's something that is worth paying attention to because it suggests the developer has tried to validate robustness beyond just a simple backtest. Okay, now in terms of usage, the default setup is on the Euro USD pair for H1. All right, H1 time frame, and there are also set files provided for multiple pairs like the USD JPY, USD CAD, NZD USD, and GBP USD, all on the H1 time frame. That already gives us a clue about the EA's behavior. H1 time frame typically means fewer but more filtered trades. This isn't a high frequency scalper, it's more selective. All right, so there's also a recommendation for VPS and ECN broker, which makes sense for consistent execution, especially if the EA relies on precise entries. Now, let's talk about how this EA is designed to operate. What stands out immediately is the emphasis on price action combined with indicator confirmation. So, this isn't a pure indicator based system, and it is not purely discretionary style price action either. It's a hybrid, and the EA uses a multi-step entry process, up to 12 conditions before a trade is even placed. All right, so that's significant. What that means in practice is that the EA is highly selective. It's not just reacting to one signal, it is waiting for multiple layers of confirmation to align. That can reduce false entries, but it also means that you might see fewer trades overall. Another important detail is that it avoids martingale and greed strategies. So instead of adding risk aggressively, right, when the market goes against a position, it relies on controlled risk per trade with predefined stop loss and take profit levels. So that's a big advantage in terms of long term account stability. Now, the money management here is dynamic. Um, you can see it adjusts position sizing and exit behavior based on market conditions and account performance. That's useful because it allows the EA to adapt rather than operate with a rigid structure. But it also means that your results can vary significantly depending on your settings. There's also a strong filtering system in place. The time filters, spread filters, and confirmation indicators like the RSI and the moving averages, right? So these filters are there to keep the EA out of low quality setups. The upside is better trade quality. The downside, you might sit through long positions or rather long periods with no trades, especially in unclear market conditions. And finally, the dynamic exit strategy. This is key. Instead of just setting a fixed take profit and forgetting about it, the EA can adjust how it exits trades based on how price is behaving. That can help capture more profits in strong trends, but it also requires precise calibration. All right, so now that we understand how this EA is structured, let's move into the strategy test and actually see how it performs. Okay, so we are going to be testing the Apex EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame. All right, so let's just select the Apex EA, and we are going to be running this test from the beginning of the year into recent data. So we're looking at a meaningful period, not just a short sample. Although I recommend that you test the EA over a longer period of time to get, a more comprehensive result. All right, so let's just start the test now. Okay, so we can see the EA is already actively hunting for opportunities in the market. You can see all this set of technical indicators here. All right, and now we have the EA already beginning to execute trades. Okay, so if we take a closer look, you can see this was a sell trade, and then the trade was exited here. You can see another sell here and exited here, right? So you can see that the market had already established a directional move, which is in the bearish direction. This isn't an early entry, it's slightly delayed. You can see in both cases, which tells me that the EA was probably waiting for confirmation. So that aligns with the multi-step entry logic, right? You've likely got trend confirmation from moving averages, the momentum confirmation from something like maybe the RSI, all right, and then the price action alignment before the trade is executed. Okay, so let's just continue. All right, so you will also notice that there are no immediate back-to-back trades. The EA is not stacking positions. That confirms that this is not a grid or martingale system. It's operating with single controlled entries. All right, so the result is already out, and we're just going to be heading over there to see how the EA performed. So we can see that from an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, the EA made a total net profit of about $8.11 over approximately 4 months. That's from the beginning of 2026 till date, right? Now the profit factor is quite okay, 5.05. We have just five total trades. The EA was taking its time, selective about trades. The short trades were two with 100% win rate, meaning that both trades were profitable. Long trades were just three, 33.33% win rate, meaning that just one was profitable. All right. So now we can see that the largest profit trade was 4.4, the largest losing trade was 1.9, the average profit was 3.37, the average loss was $1. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is good. It has a good risk to reward ratio. So I think the reason why this total net profit is just $8 is that the EA's target, you would see the largest profit was just $4. It's a short-term scalper, right? It's a scalping robot, so it targets short-term opportunities, and it is still selective with trades. So, in as much as it's a scalper, it still does not execute many trades. So that is the reason why we had only five trades over the period of approximately 4 months, right? But I recommend that you test the EA across the recommended uh, the recommended currency pairs, not just only Euro USD, but also on USD JPY, USD CAD, NZD USD, and GBP USD. Right, you can test the EA across all these recommended currency pairs, and then ensure that you set your optimize your settings properly. Okay, and remember that these are just historical backtest results, so they give us a picture of how the EA behaved under past market conditions, but they are not a guarantee of future performance. What stands out is consistency in behavior, right? So the EA sticks to its logic: wait for confirmation, enter selectively, manage risk, and exit dynamically. All right, now your actual results will depend heavily on your configuration. Things like lot size, risk settings, broker conditions, and even which pairs you are running will all influence your performance. So that is why it's important to test different set files and optimize based on your own risk tolerance. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.